Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a 1-minute strategy for the S&P 500 to get 20 pips a day. You guys voted on what strategy video you want to see next. It was actually a very close vote, so I think the next video I will be doing in terms of a strategy video will be a day trading strategy, just to keep things fair, because it was a very close vote. But scalping won, as I am seeing the results right now. It might have changed once this video comes out, but as I'm seeing it right now, scalping is winning, so I will be doing a scalping video. I hope that you enjoy this. We've done quite a few scalping videos on the channel already. I know that you guys do enjoy the 1-minute strategies that I've done in the past, and obviously I was trading those strategies live, but I wasn't trading this strategy. This is a very new strategy, and it's actually based off of something that I've been using for my main position trading strategy, and that is quite an unusual concept in my opinion. You know, to take something from a position trading strategy where you're holding something for 1 to 3 months and condense that all the way down to the 1-minute strategy. So we'll see how it goes. I hope you enjoy it. I haven't back tested this, so I don't know if it works, but the data that I've got for the actual price action is solid. So I haven't tested the strategy, but I've tested the philosophy behind it. And I don't know if that was the right word to be using, but you get what I'm trying to say. The logic behind the strategy is working. So I guess it's just how you apply the actual entry with the stop loss and take profit. So I'll be getting into that right now. Before I do that, I do want to give a little bit of a shout out to the private Discord group, where I will be doing all of my S&P 500 trading. We've also been doing some monthly mentoring calls where I will be getting on phone calls with you, going over some questions that you might have, and also sharing my charts, sharing my seasonalities, fundamentals, all that kind of good stuff. So if you do want to see those videos and you do want to join the private Discord community, hit the join button below and all those videos will be available for you, and you'll be able to join the private Discord community. So let's get straight into the video. I will head over to the charts right now and we can go over the logic behind the strategy. So here we are on the charts. Ignore the Williams %R. That is just something that I use in my day-to-day trading, so it's not really relevant for this strategy. I guess you could use it if you want to, but for this strategy that I'm going to be showing you, it is not relevant. So basically for this strategy, there's two main concepts, okay? There's two things that you need. You need an uptrend, I need a downtrend. It's really as simple as that. If you can see it on this, fair play, but I'll be going over that in a second. So the first one is an uptrend. You need an uptrend, and you need an uptrend within this time frame here. I'll be going into the times in a little bit, and then you need a downtrend in this section here. So these timings is 2 p.m. until 2:15. That's in this little window here, and then from 2:15 until 4 p.m. 2:15. Oops, that's a strange 5, but you get what I'm trying to do. PM UK time. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. You can mark this out on your chart with, you know, just an indicator. I'll show you the one that I'm using. If you just go into indicators and then type in, I think it's kill zones. Yeah, kill zones. It's the one by Bartholomew something. Kill zones, daily open, weekly open, monthly open. Just click on that and you'll be able to input your timings. And essentially what you're looking for is a bullish move in the 2:15 to 2 p.m. to 2:15 window, and you're looking for a bearish move in the 2:15 to 4 p.m. window. You don't need to be sitting here for all of this. You can literally come to your charts at, I don't know, 3:50 and go, okay, have we seen this? Have we seen a bullish move? Have we seen a bearish move? Yes, no, blah, 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 blah. If we have, you're going to sit and wait until you get the entry, which I'll be going over in a second. If you don't, then you can go and do whatever you want. So yeah, essentially this is what you're looking for. You can use the 15-minute if you want to, but the 1 minute just gives a little bit more clarity. And then what you were looking for is an entry once that candle closes on the 4 p.m. If you've got the criteria of bullish, bearish, you're then entering a trade with a 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip TP. You can change the TP and the stop loss if you want to. That is up to you, but this is just something that I have kind of put together that I think would personally work, because I've been using 10 pips on my daily strategy and that works fine. Or you can change it if you want to, it's up to you. You could go for 10 pips a day and just go for a 1-to-1. I think that would work as well. Or you could go for 20 pips and 20 pips. 100% up to you. Test what works best for your psychology and your actual results, because some people prefer, you can either have, you know, a psychology win rate of something that's good, but you might not make as much money, but it's good for your psychology, or you can go for a maybe not so good win rate, but it's good for your actual gains, and then the gains lead into good psychology because you know this works. So play around with it, have fun, test it, see what works best for you. But essentially you're entering a trade at that point and going forever however much you want. It's a very, very simple strategy. This is very, very important. So on the 15-minute, that first candle, so within that 15 minutes, if it's bullish, you don't need any more than that. If that candle is bullish, that first 15 minutes, there's a 50% chance that after 4 p.m. you will see a bullish move. So even if you don't do any testing at all and you just buy, at the end of the 4 p.m. window, if that first 15-minute candle is bullish, you're going to have a 50-50 chance to see a bullish move. Now, obviously, you don't know what kind of depth that is going to go. It might come too far down for you to then get tagged out of trades, but essentially you will see a bullish trade. Once you've got that, if you can get a bullish move and a bearish move, it then moves up to a 52% chance that we're going to see a bullish move. Or it might be 56, I can't remember off the top of my head. 52 or 56% chance we'll see a bullish move after that 4%. So even if you're just going for a 1-to-1, you can still make money. If you're going for a 2-to-1 like this is, happy days. You could even add some extra rules. You could use the Williams %R and bump that up to a 60, 65, even a maybe 70% chance of a win rate. Obviously, you can add whatever you want, but this is a very, very simple thing to do. And it's a very, very effective thing. You know, if you're getting that kind of bullish candle, you've got a 50% chance that it's going to go up. Now, some of you might be saying, well, 50-50, that's not very good because that just means it could go up or down. But in trading, 50% is actually pretty decent, right? Because if you're just going for a 2-to-1, you're making money. And especially when you're doing a 50%, I know a lot of traders that are trading around a 50% and they're making a lot of money. The strategy that I showed in the last video was a 36% win rate. And that made over 90% in 3 months. So you don't need a high win rate to make money. And a 50% over a 15-minute period of going, is it bullish, is it not bullish, is a big thing, right? That's very, very a simple thing to check that can give you an extra 50% chance for your trades. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. I'm always studying the charts, so if I find things like this, where if that 15-minute candle is bullish, it's a bullish move, I will be making videos about it, because I feel like the more you study the charts, the better trader you'll become. And if I can help you guys shortcut that, I will do. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to screenshot the charts to get the trade setup that you want with the rules on the charts as well, go ahead and do that. Save it. But I hope you've had an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Again, if you want to be joining that private Discord community, hit the join button below. I look forward to seeing you in there. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.